Okay, so I have no idea what's going to happen now. I have just put in my Purple Panda. If you recall, I spurned the Purple Panda because the Temu microphones were so good, the $2 ones. And then I upgraded to the DJI Action 4, and then found that I needed to have a converter from aux to USB-C. So I tried that, and I got mixed results. And then I got USB-C microphones, which I've got so many of them now, I don't know what to do with them all. I got heaps of them, like 15. And the last time I did a test, it sounded very fake. So today, in the post, a Purple Panda arrived. I forgot that I ordered one. So I'm going to give it a go. I've put it in. Let's see how the Purple Panda... but remember, this Purple Panda does not have USB-C natively. It is aux to USB-C, but they give you the converter. So it's possible that the aux to USB-C converter from them is better quality. We are now going to go and try my bike with the 1500 different displays that I have in the sun. I have promised Podofo that I will review their 2 devices they sent me, and I will do that this weekend. The very first thing to check is how do they cope in bright sun, which is currently what I'm experiencing outside. So this little test does a couple of things. Let's put that in. So that's the A3501. Okay. This is the A3526. And the one in the bike is the Copper Ride. Let's see what happens. I'm not sure exactly which device my phone is going to grab. It'll grab one of them. So there's something to be said with being overwhelmed with too many devices. I actually don't know which one I prefer. I actually don't know which one I prefer. It's true. I quite like risky. I quite like the one that comes with the 3526, has its own operating system. If your phone runs out of battery, you don't need it. Right, there it is. So this is not connecting to Android Auto because it doesn't need to. It's terribly okay. The other one does. Oh, and the wrong one has connected, so I'm just going to turn that off. Okay, and hopefully this one will connect to Android Auto. Let's go and have a look. Primarily I want to see the display brightness. I think they're all much of a muchness. I think. We shall see. Come now. Connect. Oops. I think the problem is that I've left my phone back in the garage. Alright, let me go and fetch it. There you are. Okie dokie. There we go. Okay. So we're all connected. Let's do the same thing. Let's say we're going to go to where are we going to? We're going to go to my work. And here as well. Go. And go. 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 Uh-oh, that turned off. Why did that turn off? Yep, I unplugged it. Okay, needs a little bit more. Okay. And off we go. I'm hoping to see something from this one. I'll just check when we get a bit further along. There we go. So now we've got both devices doing exactly the same thing. both telling me roughly the same amount of time, 1 hour 12 on the one, 1 hour 15 on the other, to my work. One is running Android Auto, the other one is not, because I've only got one phone in my pocket. So this one is running the native operating system and the native Android Google Maps, which is its definite positive, is that you don't need to have your phone. If your phone runs out of batteries, you can default to your standard set of apps, because effectively this is just like a tablet. The most important thing for me is, how does it feel? How does it respond to my gloves? And how bright is it? And at the moment, the two of them, admittedly I've got a little bit of cloud cover that's just come up, but admittedly both of them at the moment are looking much the same. Probably this one is slightly brighter, and that would be expected. I think this is the IPS one, I think the other one is not. I don't have their latest version, which is IPS. Maybe I'll get one of those in time. Let's just get up to speed so I can hear what the Purple Panda sounds like at 100 k's an hour roughly, with lots of wind buffeting me. Okay, this car is this little Fit is unfortunately going a little slow. Sorry, it's not a Fit, it's a Toyota Aqua. So I don't want to be riding too long, because it looks like a storm is coming on the horizon. I can see lots of rain, so I'll just yeah, look at that. It'll be here in 2 minutes. So I'm just gonna this person is going very, very, very slow, so I can't really test the bike at speed. Come on. And the person's turning right. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go a little bit further. Let's go this way. Alright, at 100 I can feel very loud noise coming into the headset, into the helmet. Not sure what that'll sound like with the Panda, but I'll take the next right hand turn and start to play with my displays and see which one feels better with my current glove. Alrighty, so we'll go a little slow now. No need to rush things, but I'll stay in first. And let's just have a look at how the responsiveness of each device is. So that's quite responsive, as you can see. Yeah, pretty good. Zoom out, zoom in, change, go to a different app. It's very helpful. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, so wow, to be honest, this is a lot more responsive. Not that the other one was a problem, but I think possibly that it's not Android Autoing. It's actually running directly off the phone. It's very good. Okay, now I'm not sure if my phone is set up for this particular device. I'm just going to stop and have a look. Also good to see how it compares to my phone. You can see there's a big difference in visibility. Let's connect to this one. Oh, here comes the rain. There you go. I'm now connected. All right, so we get to play in a little bit of moisture, not a lot. Let's go home. Seems to be fine in the wet. Confirm. Alright, so now this is, unlike the previous view, this is now Android Auto. So I'm expecting this to be a bit more jerky. And yet, okay, it definitely seems to be more responsive. So I would say that whatever they've got in the 3526 is a stronger processor. Because, and look at this, I've got the old Android Auto. So I've got Android Auto Google Maps, and I've got Google Maps straight off Android. I'm running both of them at the same time. Let me kill this. I don't want this, so I'll get rid of that. I don't want the Play Store, I don't want YouTube, I don't want QE Home, I don't want Maps. Okay, I want Android Auto, so nothing else is running. And let's see how this works. This is very, very smooth, guys. I've got to be honest, I've never seen a device refresh so quickly. That's really good. I'm very impressed. I think this is the one for me. I don't really care about video front and back. I'll let Daryl enjoy that. I like responsiveness and flexibility. So yeah, but both are excellent, right? Both are frankly excellent, and they're just as good as the copper ride, if not better. And we are home. Ooh.